Welcome back to ClearTask. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to skip the basic training tutorial in Valorant so you can jump straight into the real game. The simplest way happens right during the tutorial phase. Just look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. If everything is working correctly, you will see a skip tutorial button. Click it and you're done. However, sometimes this button doesn't appear. If that happens, here is a highly reliable workaround. First, launch the game and wait until your character fully spawns into the training range. Once you are in the range, disconnect your internet. You can do this by turning off your Wi-Fi or simply unplugging your Ethernet cable. The game will eventually detect the drop and get stuck on a loading screen. When you see that happen, reconnect your internet. Pay close attention to this last step. As soon as the Welcome to Valorant pop-up appears on your screen, press the escape key immediately. And that's it. That will completely bypass the tutorial phase. It's a clean and efficient trick. If this video helped you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more direct gaming tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching.